People love buying dumb stuff. Check this out. A Mercedes-Benz C300. It doesn't even have a top on it. Like, what you're supposed to do when it rains? Like cocoa melon seating? All right, okay, yeah. Like, you need that? Is that literally fans in the headrest? So you need that. Like, you need fans in the back of your head. Your neck get that hot, really? It's 3,000 miles. Right at $53,000. 19-inch wheels. Is that why? See, this is the real reason why people are buying this for $53,000, because of the fans on the back of your neck. If you need fans for the back of your neck, you should probably, should I say it? No, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it, but